Includes stop, tail, turn lights, side markers, 20-wire harness with 4 flat connector, rust-proof license plate bracket and mounting hardware. Works with 12-volt systems. Stud mounts on industry standard 2 centers. ABS plastic housing and durable acrylic lens provide protection against corrosion. Requires bulb number 168 and #1157 for replacement. Top reviews from the United States. Great light set for a small trailer. I installed these on a jetski trailer that I've converted to a kayak hauler. I honestly didn't expect much from this light set and just bought it to get me through the first summer of use until I had time during the winter to rehab the trailer. Well, it's been 2 years now and I am still using them as installed originally. After using the trailer, I decided to forego my rehab for a future time, so these lights have worked almost every weekend and many weekdays here and there for 2 years as installed. I haven't replaced a bulb, had a leak or any problem so far.